we're now moving on to the fourth posture in the moving section of this Qigong set, and that's pretty cool because now you only have 4 to go. You're halfway through the moving section, almost done. We're again going to start just like we finished the last set. So we came around, hands come up. Now we're in the same posture as we would be in the third posture in the stationary portion. The transition is the same. You inhale, drawing the hands back. Exhale as they push forward. And now you follow the exact same pattern that you followed in the previous posture. So from here, I'm going to turn to one side, and that hand is going to drop down in front of the lower belly, palm facing the floor. And this time, instead of the edge of the hand facing the center of the circle, my palm faces the center of the circle. So the last one we had the palms facing each other, and when I turned, that meant the edge was facing the center of the circle. In this one, the palms are facing away, so when I turn, that means the palm faces the center of the circle. Then I do the exact same thing I've been doing. Step, going all the way around, keeping that palm pointed toward the center of the circle. When I get back to my starting point, bring both hands up, then I drop the hand that I'm turning toward. Now the other hand's palm faces toward the center of the circle, and I step around in a circle. Something that I forgot to mention in the previous video, but applies to the last move and this move. The first two moves, I look forward as I go around. Here, palms facing to the side. Second posture, look forward. For the last posture and this posture and the next posture, as you're going around, you're looking at the hand that's pointing at the center of the circle. So in the last posture, when I was here, I don't want to look forward as I go around. I want to look at that hand as I go around. For this posture, it's the same thing. When I transition, inhale and exhale into this fourth posture, and then turn, I keep my eyes on the hand that's pointing to the center of the circle as I go around. And then change and back, and I keep looking at that hand as I'm going around the circle and getting back to where I started. So it is a little bit different in that respect too, but I apologize for not mentioning it in the last video, but it is something that applies to the previous move and this move, and if I forget to mention it in the next video, it also applies to the next move. Watch the hand that is at the center of the circle. A good rule to follow for all of these, just in case I forget to mention it again, if your hands are doing the same thing, then you look forward. So if my hands are at the side, I'm looking forward, because both hands are doing the exact same thing. If they're up in front, I'm looking forward as I go around. The hands are doing the exact same thing. But in the last one and this one, the hands are doing different things. One is pointing toward the center of the circle, one is down by my lower belly. So instead of looking straight ahead, I'm going to look at the hand. I'm going to look toward the circle. Look either toward the hand that's at the center of the circle, or just look toward the center of the circle as I go around, rather than looking straight forward. So that's all there is to the fourth posture. Stay tuned for the fifth.